Hello guys, you're welcome to Tech Electrical. In this video I want to share an interesting experience with us. It's not my regular kind of video, but I think this is going to be very helpful. So in my current location we've been experiencing power outage, so it gets so dark at night. Then I decided to acquire some solar street lights to help illuminate the place at night. So you're gonna be joining me through the unboxing process, the setups, and the whole installation. Then, when it gets dark, we test our installation and see how it goes. So let's get started, guys. So these are the solar LED lights by Oxv. So this is the company LED solar street lights. So it has some interesting features: time switch, wireless remote control, intelligent light control, human body induction. So these are the two solar street lights we're going to be installing. This is the remote control, and right here is the power on and off. Then this is motion detection button. When you come close, it shows full beam. Then after some time it gets dim again. So that's what this button does. Then these ones with timing: 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. These ones without this induction sign. This simply means that it's going to be on for straight 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours without dimming, without the motion detection. All right, then these other ones: 2 hours with motion detection, 3 hours with motion detection. This is when you want your solar street light to function for either 2 hours or 3 hours with motion detection. After this time it turns off. All right, after 2 hours it turns off. But these ones, it won't dim at all. No motion detection. It should just give full light intensity for either 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours. So these are the buttons we are concerned with for this installation. So this is where I stay. I plan to mount one right there at the tank stand so that it can cover this whole place. So I'm going to be mounting it right there to face this way. Then I also plan to install the second one somewhere down there to illuminate this whole car park region, and then down to this entrance part as well. So one will be facing this way while one is going to be here and then facing this way. Okay, so we're going to be having a challenge because I don't have a support right there, so I'll be getting maybe a pole or something where I'll be mounting one of the solar lights, but one will be coming here. We're going to be installing one right there to face this way. So I just want us to observe how it works. Okay, so the thing is this: if it's not charging, the light is on. If it's charging, the light is off. So I just brought it to a kind of dark place so that we can observe it better. So if you watch now, it is charging, and whenever it's charging, the light is off. So let's block this solar module. Just observe the wall and see what happens. I'm going to use this to cover the solar module, okay, and then just watch the wall to see what happens. Well, let's go. Can you see that? Can you see that? Once it doesn't get direct sunlight or it doesn't get light, the LED turns on. Okay, so if I take off this obstruction, the light will go off. As you can see, I put it back again and the light is on. I take it out and the light goes off. So once it's dark and there is no more light, falling on this solar module, it will automatically turn on. So that's how it works. For more in-depth knowledge of solar electricity, to clearly understand the theory behind solar energy, how photons contained in sunlight is converted into usable electricity, how solar panels are made, how inverters are constructed, solar installation calculation, and solar installation step by step, grab a copy of this material just for $3, link in the description of this video.
Six hours later.
Okay guys, it's dark right now, so I'm gonna be stepping out to see if our light turns on fully. Okay, let's go. Wow, so the motion detector is working perfectly. So but let me hide and see if it's going to dim after a while. We should dim after some minutes. Okay, nice. So I will step out again to see if it will detect motion and switch back to full voltage. Okay, so that is perfect guys. So it's a successful installation.